Good afternoon, everyone. In the second unit, there are two parts are there. In second unit, from addressing modes and basic input-output operation, stack, the role of stack and queues in computer equation evaluation, and input logic operations and shift instructions. That is one part. And second part will be types of instructions ఉంటుంది చూడండి. సిలబస్ లో మనకి సెకండ్ యూనిట్ లో పార్ట్ ఏ పార్ట్ బి కింద ఉంటుంది. పార్ట్ బి టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అని ఉంటుంది చూడండి. అథమెటిక్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, లాజిక్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అండ్ అడ్రసింగ్ మోడ్స్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్ గా ది సెకండ్ పార్ట్ కన్సిస్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సెకండ్ యూనిట్. ద ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, ద అడ్రసింగ్ మోడ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ డిస్కస్డ్, జనరల్ గా డిస్కస్ చేసాం మనం ప్రతి ఫర్ ఎవరీ కంప్యూటర్ we have discussed the addressing modes and the instructions, basic instructions. Arithmetic instructions enti, logic instructions ante enti, shift instructions ante enti, addressing modes ante enti ani general ga discuss cheskunnam. Okay na? Now the instructions, how they are executed in the three processors, like chudandi ARM processor, there are three processors are there. ARM processor, the basic idea of instruction set and addressing modes and instruction execution were discussed in second unit. And second unit lo meeru basic instruction set ante basic instructions, addressing modes, how they are executed, ivanni second unit lo we have discussed in second unit part A. Now we have studied these instructions, these basic instructions and addressing modes, how the instructions are executed, are implemented in the three processors. ARM processor ఒకటి, ARM processor అంటే అడ్వాన్స్డ్ రిస్క్ మిషన్ ప్రాసెసర్. ఓకే, మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ కొన్న వాళ్ళు చూసే ఐడియా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఏఆర్ ఇంటెల్ ప్రాసెసర్ తర్వాత ARM ప్రాసెసర్ ఇప్పుడు కనబడుతుంది. ఓకే, ARM ప్రాసెసర్, మోటరోలా 68000 అండ్ ఇంటెల్ 1A32ISAS processor. Okay, these are three general processors you have to use it. Nothing but the basic instructions and the basic addressing modes and how the instructions are executed, all these are discussed for these three processors. And ARM processor lo instructions ela untai, addressing modes ela untai, and how the instructions are executed in ARM processor. Similarly, Motorola processor lo how the instruction set will be there, and the types of addressing modes and how the instructions are executed, all these are discussed in the Motorola processor. Similarly, Intel processor. Okay, but on our syllabus there is only ARM processor is there. Okay, only advanced distribution processor is there. Only advanced distribution processor is there. So in the part B, how the instructions and the addressing modes and how the instructions are executed in the ARM processor. ARM processor instructions ela untai, addressing modes ela untai, and instructions ela execute chestam. That is the part B. Okay, clear? Second unit part B, the types of instructions అని చూడండి heading. That nothing but the basic idea of the computer ARM processor ఎలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, the ARM example, ARM nothing but చెప్పాం కదా already discussed advanced risk mission. Advanced risk mission ARM Limited has designed a family of microprocessors. Okay, the ARM family అనేది okay limited ARM limited అనేవాళ్ళు designed a family of microprocessors for designing the computers like that. Okay, the ARM company is relatively low and having evolved out of the Ekron computers company that developed a processor design from the early 1980s. Okay, in the early 1980s lone we have designed the processors. Okay, ARM mission limited was designed processors early in the 1980s. Okay, the main use of ARM microprocessor is low power and low cost embedded system. Okay, this is low power. The power consumption is very, very low compared to the Intel processor and remaining processors. The ARM processor is the power consumption is very, very low and low cost embedded applications such as mobile telephone, communication modems, and automotive engine management. All these are okay, and handheld digital assistants. All the applications have done with the ARM processor. Okay, the register structure before going to the instruction addressing modes. What is the register structure in the ARM processor? Okay, we have discussed about the register structure. The register structure contains 32-bit registers. There are 15 general purpose registers are there, R0 to R14. There are 15 general purpose registers, R1, R0. CPU అలాగైతే ఉంటుందో general purpose registers ప్రాసెస్ చేయడానికి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ లైక్ దట్ R0, R1, R2, R3, like that R14 అంటే 15 general purpose registers are there. మ్యూట్ చేయండి ఎవరు ఇది. There are 50 general purpose registers are there of 32-bit length. So 0 to 31. 0 to 31 అంటే 32-bit lengths are there. One register is there, program counter, that is R15 register, then that is called as a program counter. Okay. Program counter is a very, very general purpose, very, very useful register for executing instructions. The program counter, the whole address is available in the program counter. Okay, the control unit always executes the instruction whose address is available in program counter. Okay, and one status register is there, CPCR, that is called status register. One status register is there, consists of 32 bits, 0 to 31. 0 to 31, nothing but total consists of 32 bits are there. Okay, the last 4 bits, 31, 30, 29, 28. These 4 bits are used for storing the flag bits. Okay, condition code flags are flag bits. Already discussed in the second unit. Flag, the operations have done in the ALU. After that, the status of the result will be negative or 0 or carry is there or overflow. These are 4 flags are there: negative flag, 0 flag, carry flag, and overflow flag. These 4 flags are stored in the 31, 30, 20, 28 bits, and 27 to 20 and 60 bit to 27th we have to another purpose, and 7, 6 these two are used for interrupt disable bits, interrupt enable and interrupt disable bits, i.e. EI and DI. EI అంటే interrupt enable, DI interrupt disable. These two 6th and 7th bits are used for interrupt disable bits. EI and DI. Enable interrupt, disable interrupt. Interrupt enable చేయడానికి, interrupt disable చేయడానికి we have to use 760 bits. And 5th bit is used for some other purpose. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these 5 bits are used for processor mode bits. These 5 bits 0 to 5, 0 to 4. The 5 bits are used for processor mode bits. Processor mode bits 0 to 5. First 5 bits are used as the processor registers used by application program are shown in the above figure. Is R0 to R14, the processor register. There are 16 32 bit registers are labeled R0 to R15, which consists of 15 general purpose registers. R0 to R14 are general purpose registers, and R15 acts as a program counter. Okay, R0 to R14 acts general purpose registers, and R15 is acts as a program counter register. The current program status register, CPSR, current program status register is there. One special register for storing the simply the status register holds the condition code flag అంటే flag bits ని అలాగే interrupt disable enable bits and processor mode bits. Processor mode bits అంటే the processor is acting operating in 2 modes. One is user mode, another one is supervisor mode. The processor is operated in 2 modes. One is supervisor mode, another one is user mode. An ARM instruction format. ARM advanced disk mission instruction format. 32 bits instruction consists of 32 bits. First 4 bits 0 to 3 for RM, register, address, and 14 to 11 8 bits for other information. For immediate operand like that, you have to use 4 to 12 8 bits are used for immediate operand. And RD, the destination register, RN, one of the source register, 12 to 4 15 12 13 14 15 4 bits for destination register address, and RN, the source register address, 16 to 29 16 17 18 19, and 20 to 27. The 7 bits are used for opcode bits. Opcode nothing but operation code, that is which operation to be performed. మీరు ఏ ఆపరేషన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఆ ఆపరేషన్ యొక్క కోడ్ టు ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ద 20 to 27 bits. Okay, opcode like addition, subtraction, increment, and or like that. And last 28 29 30 31 4 bits are used for condition codes. Okay, the condition field is used for branch instructions. Branch instructions idea ఉంటుంది. Branch if carry, branch if positive, అంటే బ్రాంచ్ ఆపరేషన్ ఎప్పుడు జరగాలి, ద రిజల్ట్ కనుక పాజిటివ్ అయితే కనుక బ్రాంచ్ ఆపరేషన్ జరగాలి. దట్ ఇస్ కండిషన్ ఫర్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆపరేషన్ that will specified in the 28 to 31 bits. Okay, the condition for the branch operation. And opcode will be 27 to 20. And RN RD to registers addresses for performing the operations. One is source register, another one is destination register. Okay, if there are 3 registers are there, the last 4 bits are also used for the register address. That is total 3 register address fields are there. And other information for immediate operand, you have to use the 4 to 11 bits. That is 8 bits are used for other information. Okay, each instruction in the ARM architecture is encoded into 32-bit word like in the RISC design. An instruction specifies a condition execution code, a conditional execution code, the opcode, just 8 bits the opcode, 2 or more registers. Two or three registers. RM, RD, RM. Three registers are there. RM, RD, RM. The three registers and some other information. Okay. For immediate operand, we have to use other information field. If register RM is not needed, then other information field extends to bit 0. Okay. If the only two registers are required in the instruction, there is no need for third instruction, third register, then other information is extended to 0 to 11. That is 12 bits are used for other information field. Okay. If there is third information, third register will be required, then first 4 bits are used as a third register address. Okay. In an instruction, the operand is transferred from the memory into general purpose register named the 4-bit RD field. Okay. In a store instruction, the operand is transferred from RD into memory. Okay. Load store. Memory lo the data ni register lo load cheyadam. That is the memory to the register RD. And store nothing but from register RD to memory lo store chestunది. అంటే load and store instruction. Okay. This is ARM instruction format and ARM register structure. And then we go for the instructions. First one is arithmetic instruction and logic instructions. Arithmetic and logic instructions. First one is arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic instruction nothing but the basic assembly language expression for arithmetic. Arithmetic instructions general ga in the format like opcode RD, RN, RM. Okay, opcode RD, RN, RM. 3 register address are there where RN and RM are acts as a source registers. RM are acts as a source registers and RD acts as a destination register. RM are act as a source registers and RD is act as a and RD is acts as a destination register and RM are two source register. Okay, the general format for arithmetic instructions is opcode RD, RN, RM. చూడండి RN RM ఉన్నది ఎడిషన్ జరిగి the content of RN register, the content of RM register are added and transferred to RD register. Okay, this is general instruction format. Okay, and add example, add R0, R2, R4 performs. Add R0, R2, R4 performs. R2, R4 acts as a source registers. The content of R2 and the content of R4 both are added and the result will be transferred to the R0 register. The result will be transferred to R0 register. And similarly, the subtraction R0, R6, R5. The subtraction instruction R0, R6, R5 performs. R5, R6 are active. The subtraction performs. R0, R6, R5. R6 minus R5 performs subtracted the R5. The contents of R5 register are subtracted from R6 and the result will be transferred to R0 register. And the another format for arithmetic instructions, immediate operand. For using immediate operands, we have to use another format. The second operand can be given immediate mode. Here, add R0, R3, 17. Then nothing but the second operand is given directly in the instruction, not through registers. Directly, the second operand will be given in the instruction. Here, the content of R3 are added with the 17. Okay, the 17 is added with the contents of R3, and the result will be transferred to R0 register. Okay, this is called the immediate value is contained the 8-bit field. Now, other information, other information fields, we have to place the 70, that immediate value operand. Okay. And next one is when shift or when shift or rotation is required, it is specified last assembly language expression into the for the expression student. The instruction add R0, R1, R50, R5, LSL #4. Left shift, logical shift left #4 and 4 times you have to shift the data. 4 times 4-bit position, they have to shift the data left through logically and then add. Okay, the second operand it is contained in the register R5. Second operand in the R5 register. The R5 is shifted left by 4-bit position. Left logical shift left LSL and by 4-bit #4 and 4 times shift here. The R5 register is shifted logically towards left direction by 4-bit position, and it is then added to the contents of register R1. R1 register appudu add avutundi. Okay na? And R5 register ni mundu left shift chesi 4 times. Left shift ante em cheppanu meeku? Left shift nothing but multiplied by 2. Right shift ante divided by 2. Okay. And then added to the register R1 and the sum is transferred to register R0. Then the sum is transferred to register R0. Okay. And two versions of multiplication. Next arithmetic instructions multiplications are there. Two versions are there. For multiplication, MUL and MLA. Two versions are there, MUL and MLA. The first one is the multiply instruction. The first version of multiplies the contents of 2 registers. Just multiplies the contents of 2 registers. ఎలా అయితే ఎడిషన్ అయితే జరుగుతుందో the same manner the 2 registers are multiplied. The instruction format is MUL R0 R1 R2 చూడండి MUL R0 R1 R2. In this instruction R1 R2 are multiplied and the resultant transfer to R0 register. Okay, both registers R1 R2 are multiplied and the result is transfer to R0 register. Okay, it is just multiply, general multiplication operation. R1 R2 registers, the contents of R1 and the contents of R2 are both multiplied and the result is transferred to R0 register. Okay, and second version చూడండి multiplication లోనే second version, the second version performs a fourth register whose contents are added to the product before storing the result into the destination register. Before transfer to the destination register, for the product we have to add some other register value. It's adding a constant like that R3 register value for a product MLA, multiply and accumulate. The instruction name is multiply and accumulate. The instruction name is multiply and accumulate. Here first the R1 R2 registers are multiplied. R1 R2 registers are multiplied. R1 R2 registers are multiplied, and then the R3 register is added to the product. For the product, the R3 contents are added, and then the result will be transferred to R0 register. The result will be transferred to the R0 register. The multiply and accumulate. The multiplication after product, you have to accumulate that value to a register value R3 అంత value accumulate చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి దీన్ని MLA, the multiply and accumulate instruction అంటారు. ఓకే, next one is logic instructions. After arithmetic instructions, the next one is the logic instructions. For logic instructions, generally ఏముంటాయి, AND operation and OR, XOR and bit clear. These are the general purpose, general logic operations in any computer. And for opcodes for AND operation is AND, and for OR operation it is ORR, and for exclusive OR it is EOR, and for bit clear it is BIC. The opcodes for the AND operation are and ORR. For OR operation it is ORR, and for exclusive OR operation it is EOR, and for bit clear operation it is BIC. Bit clear instruction. First one is the AND instruction. The AND instruction performs the AND operation between Rn and Rm. చూడండి, Rn కి Rm contents కి మధ్య the AND operation is performed. The result will be transferred to the RD register. The result will be transferred to the RD register after performing the AND operation. The AND operation symbol is up arrow. చూడండి, the AND operation symbol is up arrow, which is a bitwise logic AND operation. Two registers మధ్య ఎలా చేస్తారని చెప్పారు, the 0 Rn register Rm register లో 0th bit కి, అలాగే Rm లో ఫస్ట్ బిట్స్ కి we have to perform the AND operation. Okay, if R1 is equal to 000 FFF and R0 is equal to 0 to FA 0 6 to FA, the AND operation ఏమవుతుంది, okay, this is hexadecimal form. F అంటే all ones and 0 అంటే 4 zeros. Okay, like that, the hexadecimal form. This is 32 bits, 8 into 4 32 bits are there. Okay, and AND operation nothing but if one bit is 1, automatically the output will 63 వస్తుంది. If one bit is 0, automatically the result will be 0. Then the result ఏమవుతుంది, 0 0 0 0 6 to CA. The result will be 0 0 0 6 to 0 the output of the AND operation. Similarly, OR operation, ORR, RD, RN, RM. Here, for register contents of register RN and for contents of register RM, you have to perform the OR operation. That is symbol on down arrow. For OR operation, symbol is down arrow. For AND operation, symbol is up arrow. RN between RM, the OR operation is performed and the result is transferred to RD register. Similarly, the exclusive OR operation, EOR, the symbol is plus circle, that one. Inside the circle, there is a plus symbol, that is exclusive OR operation. For RN and RM, the exclusive OR operation is performed, the result is transferred to RD register. Okay. Last one is the bit clear operation. The bit clear instruction BAC is closely related to the AND instruction. Almost BAC instruction is similar to the AND instruction, and it complements each bit in the operand RM before adding them with the register RN. Okay, using the same R0 R1 bit operation. The above example, the instruction BAC R0 R0 R1 and R0 R1 ki bit clear operation perform chesi we have to, the result will be transferred to R0 ki transfer cheyali. Okay, bit clear nothing but if you want to clear any bit, okay, R0 register lo kanuka any register in R0 register or in R1 register, if you want to clear any bit, okay, or a group of bits, okay, 4 bits కానీ 3 bits can clear చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు we have to use the bit instruction, BAC instruction. Okay, ఇది instruction ఏం చేస్తుందంటే first it performs the AND operation and complements this one. Okay, the complements and the bit clear operation performs this one. The result will be 0 to FA 0 0 0. Okay, ఎక్కడైతే వన్స్ ఉన్నాయో the register R1, okay, R1 register ఎక్కడైతే వన్స్ ఉన్నాయో these bits are cleared, and ఎక్కడైతే zeros ఉన్నాయో the same will be repeated. 0 to FA will be repeated, and where in R1 there are ones, all these corresponding bits will be cleared. Okay, there is 0 to FA 0 0. This is bit clear instruction. Okay, and the move instruction, the move negate instruction, the opcode mnemonic MVN, move negate, complements the bits of the source operand and places the result in RD register. Move negate, negate ante complement. Okay, చూడండి MVN R0, RD. The contents of R3 are hexadecimal pattern 0F 0F 0F. Then the instruction move MVN, move negate R0 RD అంటే RD register లో కంటెంట్ నెగేట్ చేసి R0 కి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నెగేట్ చేయడం అంటే కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడం. ఓకే, R3 కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 0 ఉన్న దగ్గర F, 0 అంటే 4 zeros, F అంటే 4 ones. కాంప్లిమెంట్ అయితే ఇదన్నీ ఆల్ వన్స్ అవుతాయి, ఇదేమో ఆల్ జీరోస్ అవుతాయి. అంటే 0F అవుతుంది, F0 అవుతుంది. చూడండి 0F 0 0F ఫస్ట్ ఏమైంది, F0 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 అయింది. That is R3 will be complemented. Okay, these are the logic instruction. Okay, and in the next class we have discussed about branch instruction, IO operation and addressing modes to complete the second unit. Okay, yeah, please take that then.